Good morning everyone. We are dealing with the chapter measurements and units. So here you can see a picture. Consider this as two wooden blocks. I mentioned this wooden blocks as A and this wooden blocks as B. Okay, we want to measure the diameter of this sphere. How can we measure it? So by using scale, I am going to measure this wooden block. Okay, I am going to measure this sphere. Okay, so I placed a scale here. So I got the diameter of this sphere as 7.5 centimeter. Okay, the diameter of the sphere is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, is it clear? In the last class, we have studied about the basic unit of length. The basic unit of length is what? The basic unit of length is meter. The diameter of the ball is, here we got 7.5 centimeter, isn't it? So there are smaller units also like millimeter, nanometer, micrometer, centimeter, etc. Next we can learn some of the units and its values. Look at here. Here I wrote measurement and here I write value in meter. Okay, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay, that we can write as 10 raised to 3 meter. Here 3 zeros you can see. So I write 10 raised to 3 meter. Okay, next one, 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Okay, when we are converting it into meter, 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So I wrote 1 by 100 meter as 1 by 10 raised to 2. Here you can see 2 zeros. Okay, so I write here 2. Okay, so 1 by 10 raised to 2 meter. That's equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Okay, next one. 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 1000 meter. When we are converting this millimeter into meter, that is 1 by 1000 meter. Okay, then I wrote this as 10 raised to 3 meter. Okay, so we can write 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Okay, next one, 1 micrometer. 1 micrometer is equal to 1 by 1 lakh meter. Okay, that's equal to 1 by 10 raised to 6 meter. So this 1 by 10 raised to meter we can write as 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Okay, I think all of you got it. So the plastic bag of thickness can be expressed in micrometer or in microns. Okay, once more I will say the plastic bag of thickness can be expressed in micrometer or in microns. Okay, here you can see a flow chart that gives the detailed information about some units and its uses. Okay, so which are the unit? The first unit is kilometer, then astronomical unit, light year, parsec. Okay, first we take kilometer. The symbol of kilometer is km. Okay, then its value is 10 raised to 3 kilometer. Second one, astronomical unit, and it is represented by the symbol AU, capital letter AU. Okay, and its value is 15 crore kilometer. Okay, the value of astronomical unit is 15 crore kilometer. So we can say one astronomical unit is the average distance from Earth to Sun. Okay, one astronomical unit is the average distance from Earth to Sun. Okay, next one, light year. Light year, the symbol of light year is LY and its value is 9.46 into 10 raised to 12 kilometer. Then parsec. Parsec means parallatic second and its symbol is PC and its value is 3.26 light year. Okay, so In vacuum, light year travels 3 lakh kilometer in a second. Okay, the distance traveled by the light in 1 year is known as 1 light year. So, 1 astronomical unit is the average distance from Earth to Sun, and 1 light year is the distance traveled by the light in 1 year. Okay, so here the distance is approximately 15 crore kilometer. The value or the distance of astronomical unit is 15 crore kilometer. Okay, so then kilometer, the use of kilometer is to measure the distance between two places. Okay, then what's the use of astronomical unit light year and parsecond? So their use is for measuring the distance to planets and stars. Okay, once more I will say the use of astronomical unit and also light year and parsecond. Parsec is for measuring the distance to planets and stars. Okay, there are some precautions to be taken while measuring the length of an object. Do you know which are they? There are so many precautions that we can take while measuring the length of an object. First one is be careful about to measure the length of an object accurately. Okay, and also we can make sure about the edges of the scales are not broken. Okay, next we move to the topic mass. I think it's a familiar topic up to you. Have you ever bought sugar from a shop? Yes. In which unit do you get it? You might have seen weight blocks in shops, isn't it? On each weight block, there are markings you can see as 2 kilogram, 5 kilogram, 1 kilogram, etc. These 2 kilogram, 5 kilogram are the mass of a matter. So we can say mass of a substance is the measure of the quantity of matter contained in it. Once more I will say mass of a substance is the measure of the quantity of matter contained in it. Okay, that means in a given matter, how much is the quantity of matter contained in it? In a given matter, how much is the quantity of matter contained in it? That is its mass. Okay, so the basic unit of mass is kilogram. The basic unit of mass is kilogram, and it is represented as kg. The basic unit of mass is kilogram and it is represented as kg. Okay, there are conversions for kilogram also. It is same as we studied earlier. Okay, here you can see some measurements and its value in kilogram. Okay, the first one is 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. We want to convert this gram into kilogram. So 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. That we can write 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram. Okay, next one, 1 quintal. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilogram. That we can write 10 raised to 2 kilogram. Okay, next one is 1 ton. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. We can write 1000 kilogram as we can write this 1000 is equal to 10 raised to 3 kilogram. Okay, this quintal and ton are used for measuring higher masses than kilogram. Okay, once more I will say this quintal and ton are used for measuring higher masses than kilogram. Okay, next we can move to another quantity, that is time. Time is a precious one. Okay, we all know that in one day there is 24 hours. Okay, in 1 hour there is 60 minutes. In 1 minute, how much seconds? There is 60 seconds. Okay, we can check how many seconds are there in 1 day. Okay, in 1 day there are 24 hours. Okay, in each 24 hours there are 60 minutes. Okay, in each 60 minutes there are 60 seconds. So we can write 1 day equal to 24 into 60 into 60. Okay, in 1 day there are 24 hours. In each 24 hours, there are 60 minutes, and in each 60 minutes, there are 60 seconds. So, by simplifying this, by multiplying this, we will get 86,400 seconds. Okay, by multiplying this, we will get 86,400 seconds. Okay, so in one day there are 86,400 seconds. Okay, here one day is called as one solar day. Okay, here one day is called as one solar day. Okay. A day or a solar day is the time period from one noon to next noon. Okay, a one day or a solar day is the time period from one noon to next noon. Okay, the basic unit of time is second, and it is represented by the symbol S. The basic unit of time is what? The basic unit of time is second. Okay. The basic unit of time is second, and it is represented by the symbol S. Okay, I think all of you got it. Here you can see three pictures that shows the shadow cast by a flag pole in morning, afternoon and in the evening. Okay, of these three pictures, what time is the shadow of least length cast? Of these three pictures, in which time is the shadow of least length cast? At noon, isn't it? So, what may be the reason? In noon, the shadow of the least length cast. Okay, so what may be the reason? When the sun is vertically over our heads. When the sun is vertically over our heads, during this time, no shadow is formed. Okay, in this time, shadow is formed just at the foot of an object. Okay, once more I will say, when the sun is vertically over our heads, during this time, no shadow is formed. In this time, shadow is formed just as the foot of our object. Okay, so in olden days, our ancestors find out approximate time by observing the length of the shadow. When the shadow of the object appears to be very short, that time is considered to be as noon. So, they are used some kinds of sundial also. Okay, what do you mean by sundial? Sundial is a type of shadow clock. Okay. Then, what might have been the measures taken by our ancestors to ascertain a certain time at night? They find out by observing the positions of stars as well as moon. Okay. What might have been the measures taken by our ancestors to ascertain time at night? They found out by observing the positions of stars and noon. Once more I will say, they found out time by observing the positions of stars as well as the moon. Okay, so the time from one noon to next noon is referred to as one day or one solar day. Okay, the time from one noon to next noon is referred to as one day or one solar day. Okay, I think all of you got it. Okay, thank you.